The PortaBurst PB30 gives you a portable and cost-effective system for replacing laterals. Following the guidelines presented here will help keep you productive in the field, where it counts. Before we start the burst, let's review the main components of the PB30: the frame assembly, the resistance plate, and the cylinder assembly. To disassemble the unit, remove the catch jaw and stationary jaw pins. Pull back on the cam lock to release the cylinder assembly from the unit. Disengage the frame assembly pins and slide the frame assembly out. To reassemble the unit, slide the frame assembly onto the resistance plate and lock the frame pins. Place the cylinder assembly onto the frame and place it into the cam locks. And finally, replace the pins. To thread the cable, remove the stationary catch jaw. Remove the upper jaw by removing the cotter pin and jaw pin. Insert cable through the brace plates and around the bottom of the sheave. This step can be made easier by removing the cylinder assembly from the main frame. Reinstall the cylinder assembly and thread the cable across the bell crank jaw. The PortaBurst PB30 may be threaded in the pit if a lifting device is not available. Simply disassemble the unit, reassemble down hole, and follow the threading instructions. Lower the unit down hole, sliding the cable through the machine. Make sure to square the machine up with the pipe. Once the unit is in place, reinstall the jaws as shown here above ground. You are now ready to hook up the hydraulics and start the burst. Clean both hydraulic connections with a clean shop towel. Line up the notches on the quick connects and install the hydraulics. Start the power pack. Begin the burst. While operating the unit, look for the mark on the cable. This should signify that you have 5 feet of cable left. Install the extraction cage and complete the burst by pulling the head into the cage. Disengage the jaw and turn off the power pack. Disconnect the cable from the burst head and remove the burst head from the pipe. And lift the machine out of the pit. Pipe bursting with PortaBurst systems offers your customers the least disruptive means of replacing their laterals while increasing your profits. Following the guidelines presented here will help keep you productive in the field, where it counts.